Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, we are going to create binary to hexadecimal table. So let us write first hexadecimal numbers. So hexa means 6, decimal means 10, total 16 digits. So we will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 can be represented as capital letter A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E and 15 is F. Now let us write the same in the form of binary notations. Here we have to write 4 binary digits. Why 4 binary digits? Because we have got binary 2 numbers, that is either 0 or 1. Next, 2 to the power what is equal to 16. 16 means hexadecimal number. Here we'll write 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So that's the reason we have to write here 4 binary digits. So 0 can be represented as 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 can be written as, here we are going to use the division method. So 1 is to be divided by 2. So here 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator. Here numerator is less than denominator as per basic mathematics rule. Whenever the numerator is less than denominator, then the numerator acts as a remainder and quotient will become 0. So here I am going to write 0 and this remainder will become 1. So the same can be written as 0, 0, 0, 1. Similarly, 2 can be written as, again divide 2 by 2. Here 2 ones are 2, remainder is 0. Next 2 zeros are and this 1 will become the remainder. Here the first remainder will become the least significant digit and the last remainder will become most significant digit. We will have to write it from bottom to top. So 1, 0 I have to write, but here I have to write 4 bits. The first 2 bits will be 0 and then I have to write 1, 0. So it will become 2. Similarly 3. Divide 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 1. Next 2 zeros are, this will become the remainder. So again I'll have to write it from bottom to top. So it will become 1, 1. So first 2 bits will be 0. Next 2 bits will be 1, 1. That represent 3. Similarly 4 is to be divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2. Right? Remainder is 0. Next 2 zeros are, this 1 will become the remainder. Here I have to write from bottom to top 1, 0, 0. So there are 3 digits. Now I have to write 1, 0, then 1, 0, 0. Next 5. Similarly we are going to write 5 is to be divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 is the remainder. 2 1s are 2. 0 is the remainder. 2 zeros are, 1 will become the remainder. Here I have to write again from bottom to top 1, 0, 1. So here we have got 3 digits. The first bit is 0. Then I have to write 1, 0, 1. Similarly 6 is to be divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. 2 zeros are and this one will become the remainder. Again I'll have to write from bottom to top. So 1, 1, 0 will become the 6. Here I'm going to write 0, 1, 1, 0. Similarly 7. Again it has to be divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 is the remainder. 2 1s are 2. 1 is the remainder. 2 zeros are and this one will become the remainder. Here I have to write from bottom to top again 1, 1, 1. Here I am going to write 0, 1, 1, 1 will become 7. Now similarly 8. Here I'll write 8 is to be divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 0. 2 zeros are and this one will become the remainder. Here you can see we have got 4 binary digits. So 1, 0, 0, 0. Here I am going to write 1, 0, 0, 0. Similarly 9. Divide it by 2. So 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. Next 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. 2 zeros are 1 will become the remainder. So 1 0 0 1 is the answer. So here I'm going to write 1 0 0 1. Now A represent 10. Here I'm going to write 10 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. 2 1s are. Remainder is 0. 2 zeros are. And this 1 will become the remainder. So I have to write it from bottom to top. 1 0 1 0 will become 10. Here I'll write 1 0 1 0. Similarly, B represent 11. Here I'm going to write 11 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. So 2 1s are. Remainder is 0. 2 zeros are. Here remainder is 1. So we have to write it from bottom to top. 1 0 1 1. I'll write 1 0 1 1. Next C will become 12. Here I'll write 12 divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. Remainder is 0. 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2. 1 is the remainder. 2 zeros are 1 will become the remainder. So here C represent 1 1 0 0. So C is 1 1 0 0. Similarly, D can be written as 13 divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. 1 is the remainder. 2 3s are 6. 0 is the remainder. Next 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. 2 zeros are. Remainder is 1. So again I have to write from bottom to top. 1 1 0 1. 1 1 0 1. Similarly, E is 14 divided by 2. So 2 7s are 14. Remainder is 0. 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 1. Next 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. 2 zeros are. Remainder is 1. So again I have to write it from bottom to top. So 1 1 1 0. Here I'll write 1 1 1 0. Similarly, F represent 15. 15 divided by 2. So 2 7s are 14. 1 is the remainder. 2 3s are 6. 1 is the remainder. 2 1s are 2. 1 is the remainder. Again 2 zeros are. 1 is the remainder. So we have to write it from bottom to top. 1 1 1 1 is representing F. I'll write here 1 1 1 1.